Hello everyone. My name is Sonu and I am the student of BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today we will make a visually impaired video on aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone constitute two isomeric series of compounds both of which contain the carbonyl group in their molecule and therefore collectively known as carbonyl compound. Aldehyde have one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group linked to the carbonyl group, while ketone have two alkyl or aryl group attached to the carbonyl group. Aldehyde are said to contain the functional group simply CHO, and the ketone contain the functional group double bond O and two bond with N-methyl group. Ketone in which the group R and R dash attached to the ketonic group are the same are termed simply ketone, and those in which R and R dash represent different groups are known as mixed ketones. The presence of carbonyl group in both aldehyde and ketone is responsible for the close similarity in their method of preparation and properties. Structure of carbonyl group. Carbon oxygen double bond of carbonyl group is composed a sigma bond and a pi bond. Moreover, in the molecule of aldehyde and ketone, the carbon atom of the carbonyl group is also joined to other atoms by sigma bonds. Thus, the carbonyl carbon is involved in the formation of three sigma bonds and one pi bond. According to molecular orbital theory, the carbonyl carbon of aldehyde and ketone makes us use 3 sp2 hybridized orbital in forming 3 sigma bonds. Such these bonds are lying in same plane with angle of 120 degree. The pi bond between the carbon and oxygen is formed by the sidewise overlap of the remaining half-filled p orbital. Another important aspect of the structure of carbonyl group arises from the different electronegativities of carbon and oxygen atom. Due to its greater electronegativity, oxygen atom attracts the electron of the double bond, particularly the pi electron cloud, strongly towards itself. As a result, density around the oxygen than around the carbon atom. In other words, carbonyl group oxygen having a small negative charge and carbon having a small positive charge. The planar group oxygen having nature of carbonyl group is probably best indicated by representing its resonance hybrid structure. Its nomenclature. First of all, aldehyde. Common system. In the system, aldehyde are named after the acid which they give rise on oxidation. The suffix ic acid of the name of acid is replaced by word aldehyde. CH3COOH gives acetic acid on oxidation and therefore named as acetaldehyde. IUPAC name. These names are given by accordance with the general IUPAC rules. The longest chain carrying the CHO group is selected. The corresponding word root and the primary suffix ANE, ENE, YNE are required. The following by attacking the suffix AL in the place of the final E. Position of substituent of any indicated by the suitable number of aldehyde carbon, always getting the number 1 because its chain terminating group. For the region of number of aldehyde carbon is not usually mentioned. It is taken for granted that it must be number. Ketones. The two systems of naming ketone are follows. Common names. Common name of ketone are obtained by the adding the word ketone to the name of alkyl or aryl group present in molecule. These names are mainly used for aromatic and simple aliphatic ketones. For example, CH3COCH2CH3 name as methyl ethyl ketone. Their IUPAC names of ketone carry the suffix ONE and are given according to the usual rules. The longest chain containing the carbonyl group is selected from the name of corresponding hydrocarbon. The suffix E is replaced by ONE. The carbon of the ketonic group is assigned the minimum possible number along the straight chain of the carbon atom, and the substituent group carry other suitable numbers. Formation of aldehyde. Aldehyde are formed during many chemical reactions. Of these, we would describe only the important reaction. Oxidation of primary alcohol. Aldehyde can obtain by the oxidation of primary alcohol. However, the method suffers from a serious limitation because the aldehyde formed further oxide to carboxylic acid. RCH2OH convert into RC double bond OH and then RC double bond O and OH. The oxidation of aldehyde to carboxylic acid generally takes place even the milder oxidizing agent than the required for the oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. Therefore, it is difficult to stop the oxidation up to aldehyde stage. The problem can be overcome if the aldehyde formed removed from the reaction mixture by its distillation as soon as it is formed. Special oxidizing agent. The above method of preparing aldehyde involving the distillation of aldehyde from the reaction mixture as soon as it is formed cannot be used in case of higher aldehyde having high boiling point. Therefore, some special oxidizing agent will be Salt reagent or Kohling reagent. It consists of complex formed by carefully addition of CrO3 to excess of pyridine. A solution of above complex in methylene dichloride oxide to primary alcohol to the aldehyde stage. Core reagent. It consists of pyridinium chlorochromate PCC formed by mixing chromium trioxide, pyridine and HCl. It is also used in methylene dichloride solvent to convert primary alcohol into aldehyde. Pyridinium dichromate PDC. It is obtained by mixing of pyridine, potassium dichromate and HCl. Advantage of oxidation of alcohol with above reagent. As the obvious advantage of using any of above three reagents that they restrict the oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. This is because these reagents are used in non-aqueous medium and therefore do not allow the formation of aldehyde hydrate RCHO. Disadvantage of using above reagent. The use of special reagent discussed above for the oxidation of alcohol leads to the formation of chromium containing waste products which are environmentally very dangerous. At the same time, these reagents are quite expensive and therefore not frequently used during the laboratory oxidation reaction of alcohol. It is also possible to convert methyl benzene into aldehyde by the free radical halogenation of methyl benzene followed by the hydrolysis of gem dihalide. Gattermann-Koch reaction. The reaction constitutes a convenient method for preparing aromatic aldehyde by treating benzene with a mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of lavish acid and copper chloride. Benzene plus CO plus HCl in the presence of AlCl3 and CuCl. It will form benzaldehyde plus HCl. It is a similar reaction of Gattermann reaction. HCl is used in the place of CO. Reimer-Taymer reaction. This is a convenient method of preparation of phenolic aldehyde, particularly those in which aldehyde group is present in ortho position of the phenolic group. The reaction is carried out by the treating of phenol with chloroform and aqueous sodium hydroxide. Phenol in the presence of CHCl3 plus NaOH, it will form salicylaldehyde and para-hydroxybenzaldehyde with NaCl. Formation of ketone. Oxidation of secondary alcohol. Ketone can be easily prepared by oxidation of secondary alcohol. The oxidation is usually effected by acidified sodium or potassium dichromate. Catalytic dehydrogenation of secondary alcohol. Ketone can be also be obtained by dehydrogenation of secondary alcohol by passing the vapor over hot copper heated at 475 Kelvin. Reaction with nitriles with Grignard reagent. Reaction of nitrile with either a Grignard reagent or an alkyl lithium followed by hydrolysis yield a ketone. Now Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is method of specially used for preparation of ketone in the ketonic group attached to the at least one aromatic ring. It consists treating an aromatic compound in acid halide in presence of Lewis acid such as anhydrous aluminium chloride. Acetoacetic ester synthesis. Methyl ketone can be conventionally obtained from the derivative of ethyl acetoacetate, popularly known as acetoacetic ester. The method involves in the conversion of acetoacetic ester into sodioacetoacetic ester by treatment with sodium ethoxide. This treatment with alkyl halide yield alkyl acetoacetic ester. This is subject by hydrolysis and in physical property of aldehyde and ketone. Physical state, with the exception formaldehyde which is gas at room temperature, most of the commonly aldehyde and ketone are liquid at ordinary temperature. Boiling point. Boiling point. The boiling point of aldehyde and ketone are lower than those of alcohol with carboxylic acid of approx equal molecular weight. This is due to the fact that unlike alcohol and acid, there are no effective hydrogen bond between the aldehyde or ketone molecule. However, due to their higher polar nature, there is appreciable intermolecular attraction in aldehyde or ketone. As such, their boiling point are higher than those of hydrocarbon. Their melting points of aldehyde and ketone do not show any regular trend with an increase in molecular weight. Solubility. Aldehyde and ketone containing up to 5 carbon atoms are more or less soluble in water, but the solubility falls rapidly with the increase in molecular mass. Relative reactivity of aldehyde and ketone in nucleophilic reaction. It has been observed that nucleophilic addition reaction aldehyde are more reactive than the ketone, and aliphatic aldehyde or ketone are more reactive than aromatic ones. These can be easily explained in terms of steric and electronic factor. Steric factor. In the transition state of nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl carbon, the carbon starts forming a bond with the attacking species and tends to change from the trigonal or tetrahedral state. Now the larger size of alkyl or aryl group attached to the carbonyl group, the more crowded will be the increase and formation of transition state become more and more difficult. Thus the formation of transition state would be the more difficult in case of ketone than in case of aldehyde, since ketone contains two alkyl or aryl group attached to the carbonyl group, while aldehyde have one hydrogen and only one alkyl or aryl group. As such, ketone would be less reactive than aldehyde. Electronic factor. In addition to steric factor, electronic factor are also responsible for the greater reactivity of aldehyde. Acidity of alpha hydrogen. Besides providing a site of nucleophilic addition to aldehyde and ketone, the carbonyl group is also responsible for the acidity of alpha carbon atom. In the presence of a base, the hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon atom and split off in the form of H positive ion to form a carbon ion. The carbon ion thus formed by any reaction for aldehyde and ketone. The acidic nature of alpha hydrogen and its removal in the presence of base can be attributed to the fact that resulting carbon ion is resonance stabilized by interaction with the carbonyl group shown below. Ionization of beta and gamma hydrogens of saturated aldehyde or ketone is not possible as the resulting carbanion would not be resonance stabilized. Nucleophilic addition reaction. First, addition of sodium bisulfite. Nearly aldehyde and many ketones react with a saturated sodium bisulfite solution to form crystalline solid referred to the bisulfite addition compounds. In the compounds, carbonyl carbon gets bonded to the sulfur of the attacking reagent. It is reversible reaction, but on using saturated solution of sodium bisulfite in the equilibrium is shifted to the right and the addition product get precipitated. Reaction with ammonia derivative. Aldehyde and ketone undergo nucleophilic addition reaction with certain compound related ammonia such as hydroxylamine, hydrazine, phenylhydrazine, semicarbazide. The addition of compound initially formed eliminate a molecule of water to yield compound containing a double bond between carbon and nitrogen. As such, these reactions are also termed addition, elimination, or condensation reaction. Reaction condition control pH. It must be pointed out that while using acid as catalyst in these reactions, it is very important to have proper acidity in the reaction mixture. If the reaction mixture is made highly acidic, the hydrogen ions begin to protonate the attacking ammonia derivative 2. The protonated derivative S3N positive does not have any unshared electron on nitrogen. Addition of alcohol. Aldehyde and ketone react with alcohol in the presence of anhydrous acid catalyst such as HCl gas to form ethanol compound called acetals. Acetal contain new bonds between carbon with carbon and oxygen atom of alcohol. General example RCHO 2R-OH in its presence of HCl gas RHCOR-OR plus H2O. Next is nucleophilic addition reaction leading to the formation of carbon-carbon bonds. Formation of carbanion as nucleophilic reagent. We would now take up reaction in which carbanion constitute the attacking nucleophilic reagent. Of these reactions are of great synthetic importance since they lead to the formation of carbon-carbon bonds. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide add to almost all aldehyde ketone to form alpha hydroxynitrile, usually known as cyanohydrins. Addition of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent and organometallic compounds react with aldehyde and ketone to form addition product which are readily decomposed by water, probably by the presence of acids such as HCl and H2SO4 to yield alcohol. Next is aldol condensation. In the presence of dilute base, two molecules of an aldehyde and ketone having alpha hydrogen atom combine to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone. The hydroxyaldehyde obtained from the acetaldehyde was originally named aldol, and the Cushing reaction came to known as aldol condensation. Here acetaldehyde react with another acetaldehyde in the presence of OH negative in the formation of 3-hydroxybutanol, which is aldol. And other is cross aldol condensation. Aldol condensation can also be take place between molecules of two different aldehyde and ketone. Such aldol condensation refer to the cross aldol condensation with both of reacting carbonyl carbon contain a alpha hydrogen atom. Cross to the aldol condensation can yield a mixture of four different products with usually quite difficult to separate. Therefore, the such reactions seldom carried out. However, if when the reaction does not contain alpha hydrogen, the reaction can yield a mixture only two products. Moreover, by a suitable choice of experimental condition, it is possible surprise formation of the product, so it can only be compound as a main product. Claisen-Scamryd reaction. Claisen reaction. The reaction, especially case of cross aldol, defined as a base catalytic condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde or ketone to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone. in which benzaldehyde reacts with acetaldehyde in the presence of OH negative to form cinemaldehyde. And next is Perkin reaction, closely related to aldol condensation in the Perkin reaction, which involves the addition of acid anhydride to aromatic aldehyde in the presence of base. The base commonly employed is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which anhydride to derive. The addition of compound easily formed ultimately yield alpha beta unsaturated acid. In this, benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in the presence of CH3COONA to form cinnamic acid. Novigonal reaction. This is the another reaction closely related to the aldol condensation. Involve the condensation between the aldehyde and ketone and a compound having an active methylene group. The presence of base, which is usually an amine such as pyridine or piperidine. In general, reaction may be represented as aldehyde or ketone, active methylene group, 2 carbon with single bond and 1 is double bond between both of carbon atom. Cannizzaro reaction. This is a self-oxidation and reduction of disproportionation reaction which undergo the aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen. It consists in treating such as aldehyde with a concentrated aqueous of alcoholic solution of sodium or potassium hydroxide when alcohol or salt carboxylic acid are produced. In this, benzaldehyde react with concentrated solution of NaOH to form benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Now test for aldehyde and ketone and distinction between them. Test for aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone can be detected by the following. They form crystalline addition products with sodium bisulfite solution. They form yellow or orange color derivative with 2,4-DNP hydrogen. Distinction between aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde can be distinguished from ketone by following test. Aldehyde form a silver mirror or warming with Tolan reagent, but ketone do not. Aldehyde give red PPT on warming with failing solution, but ketone do not. Aldehyde give pink color with Skiff reagent, but ketone do not.